Welcome to day 6 of me trying to pass a 100K challenge. So, yesterday we lost $2,000. So, after the day end, I decided to backtested all the trades that I took yesterday to see if the trades were accurate. And I realized that some of the trades were not accurate. I make a lot of mistakes yesterday. Not a lot, I think one or two, right? So instead of me losing $2,000 yesterday, I should have only lost $1,000, right? But one thing I did was I identified the mistakes and I'm going to try not to make those same mistakes today. And that's what you want to do when you're trying a new strategy that you have back tested and you see the strategy is profitable, right? If you trade, like let's say today you trade and you're done for the day, you want to back test today so you can understand if all the trades that you take was accurate. If it's not, or you make a mistake, you want to try to fix those mistakes, write them down, so the next day when you come back, you can try to do better, because those mistakes, you're not going to see them when you back test. You're going to see them when you trade on the live account. So anyway, guys, today is day 6. I really don't care if we lost today again or we win. I feel like it's more about me following my plan. I want to follow my plan. I want to be able to control my emotion, and that's why I see I'm not here to just over trade and just take any trade. You see, every single trade I take have a stop loss, have a TP, right? Most people don't have stop loss, don't have TP, but every single trade, 100% of all my trades have stop loss, they have TP, just to show you that I'm not here over trading or just taking any trade. Every trade that I take is accurate. So let's see how today goes. All right, guys, so we just entered a trade. Let me put my stop loss. It's been a while. Today, I'm trying to be very selective of the trades that I take. At the same time, I don't want to miss my setup, but just trying to be very, very selective of every single trade that I take. So we're gonna put TP right there. TP gonna be 150. So pretty simple trades. You guys can. It's self-explained already. So you can see we have like a level right here and level right here. This is a strong level. So what I wait for on the 5 minutes is market break, show me a bullish candlestick, so it come back down, respect it, start pulling back up, then I enter. Yeah. Let's see how this trade goes. First trade is a win. As you guys can see, we were able to close 975. So we start the day pretty good, so let's see how it goes. So guys, I just entered another trade thinking this is a continuation to the upside. Same thing again happened. So we're gonna put our stop loss, just write down here. All right. So the TP gonna be right up there. Look how the market is moving. Look at this. This bunch of like consolidation right here. I understand this is the 5 minute, but if you even go on the 5 minutes, you just, I don't know, man. The market is moving kind of weird. I think the reason why it's doing all this is because of there's a huge news coming out this week, right? Which is NFP. So one thing I've understand about the market is anytime there's a big NFP news or big news coming out, it will kind of stall. It doesn't actually want to move anywhere. It just want to consolidate. Then when that news comes out, there's like this huge breakout, right? So I feel like it's stalling for the news to come out and they do this huge breakout. But for now, if we go to the 1 hour, you can see there's just consolidation around here. Consolidation. I feel like when the news comes out, there's gonna be a huge candlestick that breaks out or like breaks down. Maybe that's why it's consolidating. So we're gonna trade and we're gonna see how this move. You guys see we take a loss. We lost $700. I don't know what happened. Market just, the spread just go crazy and go high and slam me out. The market is not moving nicely this week. It's not moving at all. Really nice, but hey, you can't stress about it. It is what it is, you know. You just gotta keep on moving and just trades. This time around, I'm trying to aim for 120 because of the loss we take here, we take $200 extra. So when I trade, right, the profits, if I win this trade, usually I try to aim for more, right, so I can make back what I just lost. But it doesn't look like this trade want to go into profit, so let's see. So I'm gonna move my stop loss to 1 to 1 if market decided to freaking come back down, because we know how the market move. So why is this following me? But we're pretty close to my TP. TP is right there, but we know how market moves, so we cannot trust it. So that was a win. We'll close at $1,040. So we have taken three trades today. Two was a win and one was a loss. I still feel kind of salty. About this loss we take. That's like $700, like almost $200 extra. Like for why? But this is the thing you got. These are the stuff that you got to deal with when you trade. Stuff like this. I just missed a trade. I was about to enter trade right here. But I was trying to make myself a coffee and I come back and market's already moved. Which we probably could have hit TP by now. But hey, the reason why I'm doing this video is for stuff like this. You know, that doesn't mean that I'm gonna jump in and try to revenge trade or something. No. I mistakenly entered this trade. I was thinking that it was my setup, right? But I closed it right away. But you can see the trade actually did go all the way. It should have hit my TP. But hey, this is part of scalping. You're gonna miss trades. You're gonna win trades. So when you miss trades like this, do not try to like, re-enter again. Don't do it. We just entered this trade and we're gonna see how this trade plays out. So I closed this trade at 1 to 1 because market come close to, like, it hit close to my TP. Then I just moved my stop loss to 1 to 1. So I think it was a nice trade. So we're back to 1,300. Let's see how it goes. So we just entered a sell on Euro USD again. I feel like this trade is a bad trade. Yeah, he's going for my stop loss. Yeah, it didn't even it didn't even take that long. We already kicked me out. So yeah, it's fine. Keep on trading. So this trade another sell on Euro USD. So we're gonna see how that plays out. The market is really, really, really kicking me today, bro. Like, I don't know what's going on this week. I cannot take a win, bro. But it's a loss again, as you guys see. Oh well, let's see how it goes. So I'm in another trade again. So yeah, this is scalping. Took a lot of trades. So my stop is right there. And the reason why I enter is because of this level. Respect, 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 respect. I just want a quick drop, bro. Just a little bit drop. Another freaking loss. So, oh well. Markets did drop down a little bit. As you guys see, we entered the trade right here. We're aiming for market to come down there. It did drop, but it is what it is. So we just enter another trade right here for a sell on USD. I'm trying to take a quick sell on it. So our stop loss is gonna be around just 420. So our TP is right there for 1,100. So let's see how this goes. Just another loss again. So market did try to drop, but it is what it is. I don't know.
Today look like it's gonna be just like yesterday, bro. So this last trade, I'm trying to aim for more because I'm not gonna lie to you. Exactly what I say on this book. Do not enter the trade twice. I did enter this trade twice. You can see I lost 470, but I try to enter again. I'm not supposed to do that. But that's why I'm posting videos like this, because I want you guys to understand and see that, hey, I'm a human being. Stuff like we make mistake. I literally make the same mistake yesterday and said, do not enter the same trade twice. If you're gonna get out, just stay out. I think the reason why I entered is because the first trade I did not put a proper stop loss. My stop loss was supposed to be above the wick. So based on the calculation, because I don't want to wick style a lot, my stop loss was like right here, and market hit me out and I enter again, and I'm not supposed to do that. But let's see how it goes. Next time I feel like I have to create a plan for it, where it's like, if market is like, if I didn't put enough stop loss, I have to just risk more and put the proper stop loss. I don't know, maybe something like that. But hey, my TP, this might be the last trade for the day, but my TP is right here. Yeah, so if it drops, come back down, it's fine. I've taken a lot of losses today. I know a lot of people gonna judge me, gonna be like, hey, you take a lot of trades, blah blah blah. That's my kind of scalping might be different for a lot of people, because I've seen people who scalp who take one or two trades. So but today we take one, two, three, four, at least a lot of trades. I don't know, at least a lot of trades. Take a lot of trades today. So we'll take one trade, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades. So we're taking 8 trades. How many wins? 1, 2, 3. 3 wins, so I think that's like 30% win rate today. And this about to be 9 trade, and we're gonna lose again. So I don't know. Let's see how it goes. Take a loss again. Like I said before, this trade was a really freaking bad trade. I literally write this shit on my book. Don't enter the same position twice. I did not listen, and I did make the same mistake yesterday. But I feel like I'm just having extremely bad trading day week. But this is what I feel like it's just the same as day trading, because if I was day trading, let's say if I was day trading, I would be risking 1%, right? And I'll probably be down at least 2% by now, because on my funded accounts I use defense strategy, and I'm down. I think because I was 0.2% on it, I'm down like what 0.4%. So if I was risking 1% on this challenge, I'll be down 2%. So I feel like it's just the same. It's just scalping. You just take a lot of trade, but it's just basically just the same thing. Yeah, we done for the day. As you guys can see, I think we did pretty well today, right? Because we only lost $700 today. This is how it's supposed to be. If I should never make this mistake, I feel like we should have ended there with just the same break even, just the same. We don't make no profit, no loss. So yeah, we end this on day 6, $98,000. So um, this is part of trading, guys. Stuff like this is gonna happen, but we're gonna keep on trading, and I'm gonna try to back test today and see what I could have changed or what mistakes I could have fixed. I already know the mistake because I entered this dumb trade, and but I did the same mistake yesterday again. I don't know why. But anyway, guys, subscribe, punch your likes button. Day 7 is coming tomorrow, so stay tuned.